So starting the test drive in this Yukon XL Denali Ultimate, of course we get the very powerful 6.2 liter V8. Love having that engine. It's very strong, very capable, but it just sounds really good. Now the ride is pretty nice because you not only get magnetic ride control, but you also get the air suspension. So there's a lot that you can do with this thing in terms of just making sure you have that nice, solid ride. I'm gonna slow down, put it in the sport mode. It was already in sport mode, but here we go. So a very strong engine, of course. I'm gonna try and test out the Super Cruise real quick. So you wanna activate the adaptive cruise again, which was already on, and then hit that button. It'll turn green, letting you know everything is good there. Lane centering, adaptive cruise. And then when you have the automatic lane change on, it'll change lanes for you if you need to pass a vehicle as you come up on it. But again, the ride is fantastic, having the air ride as well as the magnetic ride control. Now, I will say the 24s, you can hear them, but the sound acoustics in here are so good. Everything is so top-notch anyway. It's still, the ride is fantastic, and even the 24s, it's just a light hum because the wheels are so big and the tires are so thin. But nothing I can complain about because, I mean, it really does make this thing look hardcore, these 24-inch wheels. Now for this price point, you're probably not worried about the fuel economy. It gets 14 miles per gallon city, 18 highway. Honestly, it's on the cheaper end of other vehicles in the segment. If you're looking at a Lincoln Navigator L, they can still make those. Whatever the 25 Navigator is gonna be, I still haven't driven those yet. It's hard to just keep up when people start to discontinue models or whatever, but if you're looking at a comparable Navigator or Grand Wagoneer, or even the bigger Lexus, something like that, I mean, this is about what you'll pay for something like this, equipped with everything. And that's one of the reasons the Denali Ultimates of the Yukon and Yukon XL sell so well, because they're expensive, but for what you get, it's at least the same price as the competitors, if not better. But you still get that awesome look that everyone loves in terms of just the more subtle Escalade, if you will. Not as flashy, still just as coveted, just as nice though. But I want to give one more thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Yukon XL today. I'll leave a link below in the description. And if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click on that second link down below. Takes just a minute to fill out your information. I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But you do get the lifetime powertrain warranty here at Chevrolet Buick GMC Murfreesboro, so just keep that in mind. Engine, transmission, if you were to have any turbos on them, on the engine, those are covered, and then the drive axles as well, for however long you own the vehicle, which is just a nice included warranty to have on top of the warranty you get from GM. But as I'm riding in the driver's seat here, just having the air ride, the magnetic ride control, the massage seat that's heated and cooled, 16-way adjustable, and then just having the 18-inch Bose, or the 18-speaker Bose sound system, On top of having that new screen, the sunroof, just how beautiful this woodland mahogany interior is. I couldn't think of anything else to ask for in an SUV. Except maybe like those new G-Wagons when you can do like a 180-degree turn, whatever it is. But other than that, I feel like $1 million in this thing. And again, that's why these sell so well. They're very luxurious, very nice, very capable, and relatively affordable, again, for the segment. But this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 GMC Yukon XL Denali Ultimate.